Hello everybody and welcome to today's episode of Scribble Dip. What are we doing? Well, you probably read the title, but every single time that I shoot the DMR, there's going to be a sound. And every single time that I miss, the sound gets 10% louder. Every hit that I get, it does not get any louder. And every headshot that I make, it goes down 10%. And if I max out my, if I max out my percentage, then it is gonna... G2 playing ass bitch. Then it is gonna end the video. Am I playing against the same people? Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's ignore that. No way they're pushing me. Oh my god. Dude, off rip on the first video. On the first video, I dead serious got like 3 headshots. Like, first try. Oh my god. Oh, I was gonna go for like a kind of a headshot. I kinda didn't. Kind of upset with myself. If that makes any sense. Wow, you want to talk about upset with yourself? By the way, forgot to mention, same rules apply to North Star. Well, you think you're real slick, don't you, man? Yeah, I got 3 shots left. I am not taking my eyes off of you, you son of a bitch. Come on, hit him, hit him, hit him. Damn it. Large star back there. Damn it, I was not about to win that DPS rush. God. Fucking shit. How did that land? Oh, dead slide and I almost died. If martyrdom had set in, I swear. Ugh! Is this some kind of window magnetism bullshit? I didn't know which way he was facing, so I was like 50-50, you know? So my thought process was like 50-50, he's facing towards me or he's not. He's either facing towards me or he's not. One time I had my Titan like in crit, like have the have its like critical point shot by a Mastiff on a freaking Spectre. I heard the charge rifle charging.